Hello everyone, welcome to the zoo. 今天我们要一起学习动物园里常见的动物英文名称和发音。Ready? Let us go. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. 狮子是丛林之王。Elephant. Elephants have long trunks. 大象有长长的鼻子。Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. 长颈鹿的脖子非常长。Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. 它们有黑白条纹。Monkey. Monkeys love bananas. 猴子喜欢香蕉。Panda. Pandas are from China. They love bamboo. 熊猫来自中国，它们喜欢竹子。Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they can swim fast. 企鹅不会飞，但它们游得很快。Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. 老虎有橘色的皮毛和黑色条纹。Wow, we met so many animals today. 今天我们学了好多动物英文哦。Let's review together. Thanks for watching. See you next time at the zoo.